This is our electric UTV, and we love it.
We've had this UTV for about 6 years now, and we have used it for all sorts of things on the farm, from moving rocks and brush, to helping with my planting, to just having some fun. We've used it so much that we've hit over 1,200 miles on this thing, and we've never even left the property.
We actually flipped the odometer.
We've used it so much, though, that it's starting to peter out.
Uh-oh.
The battery won't hold a charge, and it can't even make it up our hill.
That's a problem. That means it's time to replace these lead-acid batteries. And we're going with lithium.
Upgrade!
Everything starts with an unboxing. Okay, nuts and bolts, screws, your LCD display. This must be the charger. Connects to the battery. Manual. And 92 pounds of battery. Ugh. This is a Temgo 5.1 kilowatt battery, 48 volts. Has some good connections in the back. It's Bluetooth as well, so you can monitor on your phone and that kind of stuff too. And it is IP67.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
It's pretty stoutly built. Should go pretty well inside of the UTV. Time to tear this puppy apart. Let's begin. If you're still running lead-acid batteries in your golf cart or UTV, this upgrade changes everything. This 48 volt 100 amp hour lithium battery delivers about 5 kilowatt hours of energy, so you get longer runtime, stronger acceleration, and less voltage sag. We dropped over 500 pounds switching to lithium, and there's zero maintenance, no watering, no corrosion, just charge and go. With up to 200 amps continuous power and higher peaks, it handles the hills of Tennessee and heavy loads without breaking a sweat. All right, I've got 3 out. And they're out. Ugh. Temgo carries not only golf cart batteries, but camper, marine, and solar power batteries of all voltages. You can learn more via our affiliate link in the show notes below. Plus, get an additional 5% off using our coupon code. With the battery locked in place, everything that didn't need to be here removed, it's time to install the charger and start wiring stuff up.
It looks a little bit different now than the last time I was here.
A little bit lighter too.
What did you do?
Well, put the battery in, everything's all wired up, got the display up in the top. Everything is, I think, plugged in and ready to go.
Ooh, that's progress.
Yeah,
Does that mean you're going to turn it on?
I think so.
Should I step back?
Probably. Here we go. Okay, I heard some clicks.
All right, nothing exploded yet. That's a good sign.
Not yet.
No sparks.
No,
I'll get closer to show you once I feel like it's safe.
not yet. Turn it on. Okay.
That's what the click usually sounds like.
Yeah.
There's cords and stuff, so don't go far. It moved.
Okay,
We have power.
we do. Now I just gotta button her up. All right,
Well done.
thanks. I wonder where these go. I'm sure it'll be fine. This is actually a touch screen. So you can see max temp, min temp, how many cycles the battery's done. I can turn charging on or off. I'm currently charging it. You can see we've got 18 amps going in. It's gonna be fully charged, at least it thinks anyway, in 2.5 hours. So it's a nice little touchscreen. We'll let this charge up overnight, come back and give her a test in the morning. Till then. Time for her initial run. Let's see if she don't blow up. Whoa, she got some pep in her step now. All right, here's the real test from a standstill. Did it? Problem. Nice. Now that it's all finished, this is what all the connections look like. So to start with, what I'm going to do in the future is I'm going to have a plug that goes right to the gas tank. That's going to go into here. This is the charger for the battery. This gets connected here and goes all the way over, and then it gets hooked up to the positive. That's this guy, and the negative over down here, right here. And from there, the positive and negative of the drive controller for the UTV, that's these wires here. After that, this is the connection to the LCD display. And that's all there is to connections to the battery. To use the Bluetooth feature of the battery, start by downloading the Temgo app. If you search for Temgo, Temgo battery will come up. Hit that, and you can see on the right, you've got the Temgo app under the utilities. So go ahead and install that. And once you open it up, the best part about this app is it doesn't require you to create a login or anything. It just goes straight to the point and tries to connect to the battery. So once you open this up, it will ask you whether or not for the first time you will allow the app to use Bluetooth. Say yes, and then hit the switch next to your battery, and it will say success. And then you can go to the dashboard, and you can see all the information about the battery that exists. Starting by, you can turn the charging off and the discharging off, tell you time to full and empty if you're in the middle of charging, all of your temperatures, cell voltages, everything you could need to know. Everything that's on the LCD screen that it comes with, you can see here as well. And that concludes this install of the Temgo battery. If you're interested in this battery, check out their website at temgobattery.com. This battery will last us at least another 7 years, so thank you, Temgo, for sending us this battery to evaluate. Stay tuned for more stuff and things. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.
Hey,
Hello.
I just saw you going up the hill with the new battery and the UTV.
Yeah, it's working great. I think I'm done working on the UTV now.
Well, I also saw that the back brake light is out. If you enjoy our videos, we'd really appreciate it if you would take a second and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. And until next time, like our farm sign says, just keep growing.